Good day, everyone. Thanks for having us again. And thank you to all our subscribers. And for those who are just joining us for the first time, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And also on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we drop a video. For like some weeks now, days now, we have been discussing on number base. We successfully discussed on conversion from one base to base 10, conversion from base 10 to another base, conversion from one base to another, which involve the first two. Now we want to talk about the addition, subtraction, and multiplication in number base. We can easily say operations in number base. We have a question we want to solve together. Example. We want to add 438 base 9 plus 354 base 9 together. Take note of something. Whenever we are adding in number base, the two base must be the same. That is, before you can add, they must be in the same base, both in base 9. They must have an equal base. If they are not having equal base, you have to convert them to base 10 before you can now solve in base 10 and return it back to the required base you are asked to solve with. But let's do this straightforward solution. Since they are both in base 9, we have 438 in base 9 plus 354 in base 9. Now let's start. Just as we have been doing our addition from our primary school, the same format. 8 plus 4 will give us 12. And look at 12. This value 12 is more than the required base we are in, which is base 9. So we have to divide it by 9, and that will give us 1, remainder 3. Because 1 times 9 will give us 9. 12 minus 9 will give us what? 3. Now write the remainder down. 3. Keep the 1. You can keep it here. Now we can now add the next line. 3 plus 1, 4. Plus 5, 9. We are in base 9, don't forget. And we cannot have what? 9. The highest number we can have in base 9 is 8. So therefore, since we are having 9 now, we'll divide again by 9. Since we are in base 9. And that will give us 1, remainder 0. That is why some teacher will tell you 9 divided by 9 in base 9 is 10. This is how they got their 10. So we have 0. And you keep your 1 again. 1 plus 4 now is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Since we are still in the range of base 9, so therefore our answer here is 8. 803 in base 9. Please, do we understand that? Let's pick another question. And this question now, this time around, will be on subtraction. We want to subtract 1111 base 2 minus 101 base 2. We want to subtract 111 base 2 minus 101 base 2. So we have 1111 in base 2 minus 101 in base 2. Okay, sorry, let me make this 0. 110 base 2 minus 101 base 2. You are subtracting, put your subtraction sign and put the required base. Is 0 minus 1 is impossible. So we are borrowing from here to this place. So we are borrowing from here. This one remains 0. That one we are borrowing, because we are in base 2, so it will be 2. Are we still together? We are borrowing 1 from this number. The one we are borrowing now is what? 2, because we are in base 2. Assuming we are in base 5, if we are borrowing 1, that one will be what? 5. Assuming we are in base 6, if you are borrowing 1, that one will be what? 6. But since we are in base 2, the one we are borrowing is 2. 2 minus 1 will give us what? 1. We are left with 0 here, don't forget. 0 minus 0 is still 0. 1 minus 1 is also 0. Then 1 minus nothing is what? 1. And this is our what? Answer. Do we understand? The last part of the topic, which is multiplication of number base. Now we want to multiply. Multiply 64 base 7 by 35 base 7. We are both in the same base, so we're going to solve out 64 times 35. They are both in base 7, base 7. We are in our long multiplication method of solving. 5 times 4, 20. 20 is more than 7. So 20 divided by 7 will give us what? 2, which is 14. Remainder 6. So we are writing our remainder 6. We are keeping our 2. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 2, 32. Divided by 7. 7 divided by 32 will give us 4. That's 28. Remainder 4. So we are going to have a remainder, which is 4. And the real number also, which is what? 4. So there is no number here to multiply again. Let's go with the next figure. 3 times 4, that's 12. Remember, we are in base 7. 12 divided by 7 is 1, remainder 5. Pick your remainder. Let it be on the second figure. 5, remainder 1. Now, 3 times 6, 18. Plus this one, 19. Divided by 7. That will give us 2, that's 14. Remainder 5. 14 plus 5 is 19. So you write the remainder 5, keep the 2 here. Are we still together? Then we can what? Add. 6 plus nothing is 6. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 divided by 7 again, it gave us 1, remainder 2. So we have 2, we keep our 1. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 divided by 7 is 1, remainder 3. We write our remainder, we keep 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Since 3 is still under the range of 7, so we have it as 3. All in base 7. Today we've come to the end of today's class. We've dealt with addition of number base, and we solved question in base 9. We also dealt with subtraction of number base, which is in base 2, and multiplication of number base in base 7. You can solve more questions, and if you have any questions you want us to help you guys with, you can drop them in our comment section. Thank you for having us here today. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share, and to comment. Your comment is very important to us. Thank you.